Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muqtadar Qureshi. I'm conducting a two-day workshop at IBA from March 21st to March 22nd. The topic is the world of energy economics. What is the world of energy economics, you may ask? Well, among many things, energy economics is about how energy affects and drives development, how demand is forecast, how a nation chooses its energy mix, what energy access really means, how energy projects should be evaluated, what are the drivers of demand and supply, and how electric markets function. It's also about climate change, sustainability, and their linkages to both energy and development. It's also about megatrends, for example, electric vehicles, and how they will define energy economics and our future. The applicability of such factors to Pakistan in particular will also be very critically reviewed. If you thought that was all, wait. It's also about energy policy and its strong interconnection with energy economics. For the curious, it's learning about what a duck curve is and what solar value deflation really means. I'm sure that you've gathered by now that energy economics is a very diverse and truly absorbing subject. Now, if you take this course, are you going to become an expert in solving all the energy related problems of this world or this nation? Probably not. But are you going to become someone who can think critically about such issues, understand their nuances, subtleties, trends, consequences, and apply them in problem solving? Probably yes. I promise to make this a highly interactive workshop laced with discussions, case studies, healthy debate, and breakout sessions. I've taught energy economics for over 5 years at Cornell University and enjoyed that experience thoroughly. I hope that I can pass on my learnings to participants at the IBA workshop as well. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.